Devanathan sir, you can take the lead.
Yes, sir. He has sent a comment in the testimonials page
Okay.
asking to include a few things. Okay, one of this is I couldn't really understand that. So I said, okay, let me try to understand what he requires. Then, if
Okay.
I am able to understand it correctly, then I can put it in the software. Without understanding, we can't do anything much. So maybe you can repeat your question. I'm not able to understand that.
You,
Sridhar.
you 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 have to frame your first question clearly, sir. That is what he's asking. He
Sir,
can't
Yeah.
understand what it.
Devanand sir, sorry for interrupt, sir. Sir, my name is
Yes, sir.
Janaki Ram, sir. Sir,
Yes, sir.
is either doubt and me doubt are, sir, please
Okay.
explain one chart on through software. It is better
Yeah,
to
yeah, yeah.
you.
I will do that.
So it is
That
understanding,
is
sir.
that
Please
is a
write to
session
one
that is
chart.
planned. Definitely, we'll
Okay.
do that.
Okay, sir. So,
Uh, we are
uh,
waiting for others to ask any questions on DNA astrology. If that is over, then I can go to the software demonstration session.
இப்ப
okay.
வரைக்கும் எந்த கேள்வியும் கேட்கல சார். சாஃப்ட்வேர் டெமான்ஸ்ட்ரேஷன் நீங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
Okay, fine. I will start it after that. Let
Okay.
me share my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, for those who are new to the software, you have to type here. Is this should I zoom or is it clear?
It is clear. It is clear, sir.
Okay. So you can type karumbu.in. Okay. In fact, if you search DNA astrology, you will see karumbu.in is the first link. Most likely in the first few links. You can go like that also. Or you can go to karumbu.in directly. Okay. Once you go, you can see this is the website. This talks about general knowledge about DNA astrology, what are we doing, so on. If you want specific information about the Ashtakarmas, you can click any of these karmas and get to know what is there for each of those karmas, what stars, what bhavas represented, what karakatva is there, etc. Uh, for enrolling, of course, you are all enrolled students, so I don't need to explain this. But if somebody is inquiring you and they want to become a student, they can contact Dr. Vishal here. The number is given here. If you are already enrolled, you would be able to log in by clicking this login button. Before I go there, I will also walk you through the website here. There is also a guidelines page where quite some details are available. What you saw in the home page, the same thing is here. And below, you can see the karma identification rule. In the software, this is what is used. So, what constitutes very strong karma? What constitutes strong karma, medium karma, and low and base karma? In very strong karma, we also attribute a score to it. We attribute a 1.2 score, very strong. We want to emphasize that these karmas, which is basically the star karma that is used here, is more predominantly applied. That is why we want to emphasize it by giving a 1.2 score more than just one. Okay. Strong karma is related to bhava karma. So if you want to go to each of them, you can expand this. So very strong karma. Let's say Surya karma. If I take Surya karma, which are the stars that are involved here? It is clearly given here. Some additional details about the stars because we are also having users who will be new to astrology. So we have given more details about each of the stars, what pada they belong to, what degrees they are, and so on, and the Rasi Lord and the star Lord. Similarly, what are the different stars associated with Chandra Karma, Puja Karma, and so on. Okay, that is here. If you go to the next strong karma, which is 1.0, the first one is dealing with star karma. You can see here only star karma qualifies in this. In the next one, here everything associated with bhavas are here. And we know that which bhavas are used. So Guru has 1 to 5, Shukra 3, Shani 6, Chandra 6 and 7, Surya 12, Kuja 11, and Buddha 4. In case you have any questions, you can pause and I can pause. You can ask. Because I am not seeing the screen. I am directly seeing my website. I am not seeing the hands raising. And if anybody is raising the hands, I am not knowing. Okay. This is medium karma. What constitutes medium karma is explained here, and so on. You can take a look at it at leisure. Most of you are students and you would be familiar with this. So let me go directly to login. Okay. You have to click this login page, login button. Okay. If you are coming from mobile, let me also show you how it look in the mobile. Just to simulate that I am showing you here. Okay. It will look like this. So where do you see the login button here? So you can go click this, and if I am the website, it will look like this. So how do you go to the login page? So if you click these three buttons and see here, there is a login, right? Of course, this is an English group, so I don't want to switch to Tamil and show. It is bilingual, so Tamil is also supported. But some of you, if you want to change the theme, you can click dark theme here. So the entire thing comes in dark theme. Depending on your preference, you can show, you can use. Now to log in, you have to just click this login button. Okay. For new students who have not yet enrolled, you can use the register trial. Students who have already enrolled can use the login button. And let me change this to a different phone. Yeah. Okay. Now I will go to the desktop mode because it's easier to see in the sharing mode. Now I'll go to the continue with Google. If you have Google, you can choose this. If you have any other email that you have registered, you can receive an OTP in your email and log in. Or if you, mostly students have to give either one, their phone number necessarily and one of the emails, either Gmail or another email. That is mandatory. Okay, let me go to a different account. There's an admin account for me. Let me go to a test account, test Karumbu. This is the test account. This is the consent page of Google. This is asking you permission to allow Karumbu.in to view your use your authentication. Okay, this is the landing screen. So for people who are coming for the first time, you will not see any of these cards. Okay, it will be empty. To add a person, you will not add it here. Add person. Let me add a random person here. You can actually type. There are people who call me and ask me, I am not able to type. So actually, you can type here. So let me take a random date of birth. You can also choose it from here. So in case there are people who ask me, how can I scroll to a different year? So you actually go and click this. You will see you can actually go to all the years here. Here, the previous years, whatever you want, you can go. There are people who said to choose, let's say 1961, I have to click 400 times. It is like a few kilometers away. You don't need to click month by month. You can go and choose whichever year you want, the month you want, and the date you want. That's it. Okay. Then, but each phone will be different. So in your phone, what I am showing may be different in your phone. So you'll have to see where the year is shown. Just touch that year. It will give a scroll bar. Then you can choose the year. You don't need to click previous month, and go on. Okay. Similarly, date of birth. Choose what is the time of birth. Sorry, not date of birth, time of birth. Now we have also added seconds. There were people who said, give me seconds also. So hours, minutes, and seconds, all three are given. Okay. Now, don't forget to choose AM or PM. Some of them have called me and said the Lagna is wrong, Rasi is wrong, because most probably they forgot to choose it. Otherwise, it's been used by thousands of people. More than 2,500 charts are generated in the last 3 weeks in this software. And in the previous software itself, the free version that was available for last 2 years, more than 10,000 people have been using it. 10,000 charts have been created. So overall, I think the software is accurate. It is just that you have to check whether you are inputting the right thing. Similarly, don't forget to choose the gender and place. Again, there are common names. Some places are there across the world. Some names repeat. I use this popular example called Salem. If you just type Salem, which is actually a town in Tamil Nadu, if you do a search, you will see here first it goes to USA, Massachusetts. Okay, we are not talking about this one, right? We want to go to our Salem in Tamil Nadu. So just give Salem, Tamil Nadu. You can actually type your village name, comma, city name, comma, state name. Okay, that is more accurate. In most softwares, you will have only to city. You will have to choose from a list. We have given it flexible here. If there is a remote village, that also will most likely be available here because it uses the ability of Google Maps to actually point to a location. So it can pinpoint to a particular lat long, even to a hospital. That is the accuracy level here. And if you click search, it's going to show you just confirm here. This is Salem, this is the Salem that you wanted before you click add person. Okay. Now your person is added. The latest person will come here. All others will be here. And you can also filter by, if you have hundreds of charts, you can filter by the Rasi or, the Nakshatra and so on. And if you want to clear it off, you can just press this clear all. Now, this is how you add a person. If you want to change the date of birth of somebody, you have made some mistake, you want to correct it, just click this pencil button here, go and make the changes. Let's say this is not 10, this is not 9, it is, let's say, 11. Then do the change. That's it. Got it? Now, this is available to see the chart. You just click the chart. Okay. The default view for a first-time user for the person will show my karma. Okay, let me come to this tab separately. Before that, let me go to charts. Okay, you all know the different types of charts that are there. The very strong karma we saw in the guidelines page. It is a star karma based karma, star based karma. So here you can see the lagna, the different planets placed here, and the karma associated with each planet. So all karma is given in a circle with a background color. Okay, the color as such does not signify anything. It is just for identification. So typically golden color is given to Guru and yellow color is Sun, black to Saturn and so on. There is no significance, but just to identify them. If you hover over it or in your mobile, if you touch it, you'll be able to see the tooltip also. Okay. But if you are not quite comfortable with this, you can go below and you have two tables here. Okay. Most of the charts will have both these tables. One shows what is the karma connection, star karma connection. We are in the star karma section. So what is the star karma connection for each planet and each bhava? Because the lagna point and the bhava point, right? And the reasoning here. So this is the karma and the colors. You can see it here. This also gives you what, what degree is there, and the reasoning. Like for example, star Dhanishta gives Shani karma. That is given here. So for first timers, it will be very helpful. For somebody who's familiar with it, if you know it at the back of your hand, if you just see it and be able to get it, that is best. But for others, you can just go through this. Next comes star karma, strong karma. Again, in strong karma, there are 4 different sections here. You have to click each of them and see. Okay, sometimes people don't see all of this. Okay, I will also show you mobile screen. This is how it will look like in mobile. If I click strong karma, here there are tabs here. You're able to see this. This one is star lord bhava karma, house bhava karma. Is unmuted. Can you? There's noise. Okay. Somebody is unmuted. Can you mute, please? Unless you have any question. Rahul sir, can you find out who is unmuted?
Sir, Vijay Veer sir, can you just mute the mic? Because I cannot do it from this side, my side.
Okay. Now
Yeah,
it's okay.
yeah.
So I was showing the mobile view because some of you, many of you are seeing from mobile. So where is the very strong karma? It's here below. You can see this very strong. In mobile, it will appear below because it's handy. Using your thumb, you would be able to click easily. So it is placed below. Whereas in the desktop mode, it will be above. That is the only difference. Being strong, just ensure that you're scrolling this like this and clicking the right uh, tab that you want to see. If you want to see house bhava karma, click this. Then you will see the same chart here. Now it is representing not the star karma, but the house bhava karma. We know that 1, 2, and 5 is guru karma. You can see this color here, guru. The golden color indicates that. So if you go to the table below, here also you will see that for each planet, what is the karma, bhava karma associated. And because this bhava karma is not related to uh, uh, specifically to each planet, it's, I think that at a house level it is shown. If you go to planet karma, this planet bhava karma, so again you will see here what is the bhava of the planet and so what karma is associated with it. So you can see that below. And you will also see the bhava munai and the explanations. So whatever you see in the mobile, that will show in a table format, but table format is not easy to view in a mobile. So that is why it is given as cards, like each one is a card. Let me demonstrate that to you. If I go back to uh, the desktop view, you can see this is a table here, right? Same thing that we are seeing. So that is the difference. But ensure that you are clicking each of these tabs, whether you are in mobile. There are 4 charts here. It is written here so that you don't miss it out. Similarly, medium karma. There are 2 charts here, and low karma and base karma. Base karma is your Kala Chakra house karma. So you, most of you may be familiar with all these concepts. So I'm not walking through any of the astrological concepts here. I'm just demonstrating the software for you. Now, if you want to find out what karma is associated with Lagna, okay. Now we have to take this Lagna, find out what are the planets here, what is the star karma for the Bhava Munai, Lagna Munai, and then the planets associated, and then you'll have to go through each of those strong karma, correct? You will see how many karmas are getting accumulated across all these 9 different charts. There are 9 charts here. So to make it easy, what we have done is we have given a course. You just click scores in Lagna, it will do the accumulation automatically for you. Okay. So Lagna has Guru Karma 2, Shani Karma 1.2 because we had associated cores to it. You can see that 1.2, 1.5. If you want to minimize everything, you can click this minus button. And for those who want to use the North Indian chart, you can click this. I forgot to tell that this is a group where most of you may be familiar with North Indian chart. We supported it starting yesterday, mainly because the request has come from this group. So I will show this, but I am not very familiar with North Indian chart, so you have to excuse me for that. I hear that this is accurate. If there are any issues or any corrections that needs to be made, please feel free to suggest to me. The contact details are available in the website. Okay, so each score, each type of karma, that's very strong, medium, low, base, has scores associated with it. Okay, they are not considered equal. Now, in the score that is taken care of. So when you see Lagna, that is why you are getting this 1.2. It's not a whole number. Like sometimes you get 0.3, so why? Which means only the base karma is there. That's all. And the details is here. If you want to click this and see also, you would be able to get how this number has come. The details is available here. You can choose also any of these different aspects and see for this course. Again, I will show you once more in mobile. So because some of you may find it difficult to find this in mobile, you can see it here. Just scroll this. Okay, I am inside scores. The charts is here. Charts is here. Course is here. Within scores, I have the scroll. You can choose any of this. The course associated with that, you can choose. Okay. Now, let's go to the next. When we see a chart of a person, we want to find out what karma is associated. We know from Dr. Vishal's classes that we have to take 100% weightage, give 100% weightage to Lagna and Lagnadipati and 50% weightage to Rasi, the moon. So should we take Lagna, find the scores, Lagnadipati, then find the scores, and then Rasi, and then find the scores and add it? That's going to be difficult. So that is where this My Karma helps. You go to My Karma, it does the maths for you. It does the calculation for you. It takes Lagna 100%. You can see here. It has taken all this and then it has put it. Okay. If there is no karma associated, for example, Ketu doesn't have a karma, or certain bhavas don't have karma, 8th bhava, 10th bhava doesn't have karma. So those will not get included. Okay, and it will take 50% weightage. You can see here, it is already taking 50% weightage and then it gets added. And that's how the score is coming. So what does this signify? This signifies that Guru is repeating 2.8 times for that self, the person himself.
Rahul is raising hand, sir. I think Rahul have some doubts.
Sure.
Yes, sir. In YouTube live, sir, shall I ask my question?
Sure,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Go ahead, please. Yeah.
Yeah, in YouTube live, a person called Tarun says that for anybody who generates a chart, Jupiter karma is showing very high.
Okay.
So he has given his date of birth. So shall we cross check?
Sure.
That is the very important thing which I have to answer, Rahul.
Okay.
We all know that among the 27 nakshatras, among the 9 planets, and among the 12 bhavas, Jupiter karma is the only one karma which is associated with 3 bhavas among the 12 bhava.
Yes.
Yes. So what are all the bhavas that are associated with the Jupiter karma? Lagna bhava itself associated with Jupiter karma, second house and 5th house.
Yes.
So totally 3 houses. And what about the house lords? Lagna lord, second lord, and the 5th lord. So the 3 lord also can associate with the Jupiter karma,
Yes.
as per the bhava. And according to the 9 planets, what are all the planets which are connected to Jupiter karma? From the 9 planets, 3 planets, Sun, Moon, and Mars is connected with Jupiter karma.
Yes, sir.
By default. Okay.
Yes.
Among the 27 nakshatras, 3 nakshatra, Mrigashirsha nakshatra, Hasta nakshatra, and Uttarashada nakshatra is connected with Jupiter karma.
Yes.
So totally 9 to 12 factors are connecting with Jupiter karma means when the software is analyzing, it is a mechanical default algorithm. Yes.
Oh.
So by default, it will initiate what are all the major karmas connected. So Jupiter karma by default it will be connected to each and every chart.
Okay.
But what is the very most important thing which we have to interpret is we should not confuse the karmas which are connected to the 12 bhavas. Before getting into the chart, we have to ask the question for what we are generating the horoscope, for what purpose.
Okay.
If we are searching for our own career guidance, if we are searching for our own career accession or career we want to know about what are all the options associated with our career, we can directly go to our 6th house and 10th house. Yes.
Okay.
So if we are aspecting our marriage related information, we can go to the 7th bhava, Or if we want to know more about our partner's profession, we have to access the fourth house and 12th house. So before getting into the horoscope, we have to ask ourselves for what purpose we are getting the horoscope. Without asking the purpose, we generate the horoscope means then it comes under prediction mode, right? So what the
Okay.
horoscope says, what the horoscope is giving, we will what to say, that we will convert our mindset from guidance, or we will convert our mindset from particularly specifically searching into general fetching.
Okay.
So that is the wrong, that is the thing, that is a mistake every each and every student or each and every client is doing. Yes,
Understood.
before getting into the horoscope, we have to ask ourselves for what purpose we are getting into the horoscope. Say for an example, we want to know what kind of health issues, or what kind of disease, or what kind of health aspects we have to be careful. Then we can simply access our sixth house, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no need to worry about our lagna, no need to worry about our lagna lord, no need to worry about the what are all the karmic connections are connected to the lagna. We can directly go to the sixth house, you know that. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, for each and every baba, if we want to know about the investment, if we want to know about our what are all the things which we can invest, what are all the things which we should not invest, we can directly go to the fourth house.
Okay.
Okay, so
But
like that.
what he says is,
uh,
if you see my chart, Mr. Tarun is asking in YouTube.
okay.
If you see my chart, in Lagna, Kedu is there, Lagna Lord present in 12th house, and 12th house Lord combined with Lagna Lord and Moon in Aslesha and Lagna point in Anuradha. So I have so much of Sun karma, but it is
Okay.
not showing me the Sun is very dominating. It is showing me Jupiter is very dominating.
Why it is showing the Jupiter is dominating means because it is a default algorithm. Because a lot of bhavas, lot of planets, and a lot of nakshatras are associated with the Jupiter karma, so it is calculating that. But
Okay.
whatever the software shows, we have to over calculate that, right? Software is in our control, it should be within our control. We should have the logical impulse to take which is right or which is wrong. We should have that inner call. Yes, we should not we create a machine, sir, we create a technology. The technology
Yeah.
should support us, the technology should assist us, but we are not under the technology.
Yes.
Yes, we should be the boss and the technology should be our servant. But what
Yes.
we are doing is we are making the technology as our boss, and we are acting as a servant to the technology. That is a very wrong thing.
Yes.
Yes. So through this DNA app, through this Karma website, you can generate the horoscope. You can very well access what are all the karmas connected to each and every bhavas individually. But using that information, first you have to ask that question: which bhava or what is my requirement? What is the purpose I'm looking for? What is the purpose? What is the important piece of information which I'm searching for? We have to ask that question, and if we get the answer, any one answer we'll get, where either we'll be looking for our own business, either we'll be searching for our life partner, either we'll be searching for our health issue, anything. But anything is whatever requirement, it will be connected to the 12, one among the 12 baba.
Yes. Absolutely.
So then we have to directly go to that particular baba. That's it. So that is the very easiest thing. That is the very easiest approach to avoid unnecessary complications or unnecessary conflicts between the technology and our human mind.
Understood, sir. Hope Mr. Tarun got his answer.
Okay, I hope all dear students also can understand what I'm trying to convey.
Sir, I have input also.
Yes.
Because software, yeah, there could be human errors while creating software. I acknowledge that, but I don't know. I can wait for your feedback. So that is why I'm demonstrating this. So
Okay.
if you see that Guru Karma is very high, okay, just click this. Please read each of this line and validate in your chart whether it is really right or wrong.
Okay.
Okay. If something is wrong, please bring to my notice. I will fix it. If you
Yeah.
think it is a bit high, it is
Okay.
beyond what Mr. Vishal is describing now. The 9 different combination. Even beyond that, if it is showing something higher, maybe something is counted twice, something is missed out, or something is counted 3 times. Please highlight to me. Then I will try to because it's not an easy thing to create a software like this.
Yes.
So
Yes.
there could be some slippages that might have happened, especially let me take occupation. Occupation now see at 8.8. Why is it showing 8.8? Because we are taking 6 as well as 10 and 6th lord as well as 10th lord and Sunny. Now so many are added here. And here so many details are here. Just
Yes.
validate it. Just see this one, is it right? This one, is it right? You come and tell me this is wrong. Okay, or this is already counted, we are counting twice. Then I will try to fix that because it's not easy for me to identify that.
Yes.
Okay. So I would request that. Or if you are not comfortable with this, like sir suggested, you go to scores. Go to house Baba 6 here. Now this one will be right. And you have breakup here also. Just see this. Is this correct? Then go to Baba 10. Then you see the expand this and see this. You can check this also. And then if you want Karaka, some says don't include Karaka in my karma. Okay. If you don't want Karaka, you can directly go here. No, why should you go to my karma at all? You can just go here Baba 10 separately. There's no Karaka here. Go to Baba 6 separately. And we know Sunny is the Karaka for this. That is why that is also here. Shani is here. If you want, take this separately and use it. So that is why that flexibility is available. The combination of these three, 10th Bhava, 6th Bhava, Shani, is what shows in the my karma occupation here. Okay, and that is why it is high. I hope this is clear. So if you have, please, my contact details are available in the website. You can send me an email, WhatsApp, or you can call me and tell me, and I will look into it.
And the main purpose for the students and the viewers watching in YouTube, the main purpose of this website is to make understand DNA astrology in a better way and easier way. Please don't make decisions with the website. If you need to make a decision, you need to contact an astrologer and you can make decisions in your life, or you can read astrology and you can make decisions in your life. Through website, kindly don't make any decision. It is
Yeah.
just to understand DNA astrology in a easier way.
Yeah, that is the very wonderful message, Rahul. This message is for the general clients. Yes, this message is for the general clients and for the students or the DNA astrology practitioners who use this software. As Mr. Devanathan sir requested, if there is any karma misconflicts or any karma registries bonding which is scored high, and then the reality, you can just mention that in the comment section itself, or you can directly contact Mr. Devanathan sir's WhatsApp chat, or you can mention in the group itself. Sir is ready for doing that kind of troubleshooting or rectification, whatever it might be. One thing,
Yeah.
and the very most important thing is the software should assist us, but we should not get addicted to that particular thing. That is a very most important thing. It is an energy tool. The software is a supporting tool. Okay, we should get the supporting tool, but the subject should be implanted within our mind for the DNA astrology practitioners and for future learners. That is the only one thing which I have to convey. Okay, so very happy.
Uh, I will just
Uh,
show the export PDF also, sir, once.
okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
For
sir.
some of you, there are two kinds of people. One says, I don't know where to export PDF. The other is saying everything they are exporting PDF and only checking in PDF. And they are
Okay,
saying it is running to 100 pages. How can I understand this? Okay.
okay,
So please don't export the PDF if you don't want to. Just
okay,
click what you want. You want to check yourself, your life partner. Click that, and that is enough for you. If you
okay,
want PDF, then export PDF is here. When you
okay,
click it, it is going to open in PDF. If it is your mobile phone, because we are running a web application, not a native mobile application, it will not
okay,
directly open in your PDF viewer. It will
okay,
download it. If it downloads, it will be in there, the download folder. and your phone will prompt to open it in your favorite PDF viewer. So let me demonstrate it in this desktop here. It will show this preview like this. This preview, most phones may not be available, but in desktops it will be available. So you can open in your PDF viewer of your choice. Okay. And it runs to whatever you see in the UI. It is exactly the same thing put here. Nothing different here. See, if you had chosen the North Indian style, it will come here North Indian style. If you had chosen South Indian, it comes South Indian. And first, it will show all the charts. Let me just scroll down quickly. Well, 85 pages are here. Then after that, it will show the scores. We saw this also. And finally, it will go to the My Karma. It is that in that order is what actually the whole thing is arrived at, correct? So that's about it. If you want to download, click this download button. It will come to your desktop, your machine, and you can open it, right? Any other questions you have, you can ask on the software.
I hope this session will be helpful for students. This is a live recorded video session. So the students who have not participated in the session, no need to worry about that. This session will be live in Rahul Singarvel's YouTube channel. The link will be provided to you. Okay, and the very most important thing is hereafter a lot of this kind of Google Meet session for English students especially, we will conduct a Google Meet session at least twice in a month. Every month, at least twice, we will plan for a Google Meet session. It will be hardly 1 to 1.5 hours. So the English learning students who have a lot of doubts in DNA astrology, they can utilize that particular session for doubts clarification, or any further doubts regarding the software also they can ask that in the particular session. So thank you all students.
I think one
yes,
Prasad has raised his hand.
Yeah. Yes.
Thank you very much, sir. Wonderful software, sir. Devnathan, sir, one small request. The PDF export facility is great, but if you can give a drop down where I can select which bhava, which graha, karma I want as a report, it will help immensely. Like Vishal sir said, this is only guidance. The software is only guidance. It will guide me. Instead of 85 pages, I can have lesser number of pages by selection. Please consider if it is possible. Vishal sir,
we can do that.
Very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Definitely, we can consider that. The only reason why I didn't put it is when I came up with the software, many users are very new to using software, especially mobile web app, and so even clicking export button is a difficult thing for them. They don't know where the button is. After that, if it asks question, they don't know how to choose. It is quite impractical for them to choose something and do it. But there are a mix of other
If you allow me, Devnathan sir, this can be solved very easily. In each page, web, like it's in running in I think it's HTML page. Each page provide link to print, and once I select it, it compiles it, and when I say okay, finally printed, it prints.
Okay, we'll consider that, not an issue, but it will take its own time because each has its own work. Yeah, we'll plan.
Just a suggestion, sir. Just a suggestion.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Vishal sir. Rahul sir,
thank you
so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the students who have joined this session. We will plan more future sessions for doubts clarification discussions, at least twice in a month for English students. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you,
sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you,
Devnathan sir, thank you.
Rahul sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for your demonstration. Thank you so much, and thanks
Thank
for
you
all
so
the
much
people
for that
who were-
class, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you.